Hey traders, quick market update. Let's get straight into it. Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty, this is just a quick market update on obviously what's going on with the markets. So I did a video yesterday talking about what was happening on the smaller time frames on, say, the hourly charts. And also the 15-minute charts on the S&P 500, the Russell, the Nasdaq, and so on and so forth. So I mentioned here, I said, okay, firstly, we right now have we had a movement up. Actually, I think it was this one right here. Yeah, this one right here. I was doing this one here. So what I said on the video yesterday is that we could be forming a higher low here soon. We could be forming some sort of a higher low here soon because we're getting a very weak pullback. Very, very, very weak pullback. And so what that's telling me is that the market had a very strong move up and a very weak pullback. We could be getting into some sort of a low and a higher low through here. And so, but that's exactly what has happened, right? We had a high, a lower high. Look what's happening now. The buyers are what? They're coming back in. They're coming back into the markets, aren't they? And now we're developing this higher low here and we're rallying back up. So we're starting to get that bullishness move out of the markets there. Again, this is that hourly chart. Let's go have a look at the Nasdaq as well too. Same sort of thing. We're getting that bounce, that nice, beautiful higher low. Same for the Dow Jones as well. So we can see that, let's go have a look at the daily charts now. We can see that the daily charts are potentially starting. Let's go back to the S&P 500. So we're potentially getting a very strong, look at this here, a very strong bounce at this level. So this level back here was support, support, support. It's flushed down. It's now come all the way back up. It's come back down. And especially looking at, this is the cash market here. If I go to the hourly chart once again, look at this here. Came down, bounced, formed a higher low, and now we're rallying back to the upside. We also can see, looking at if we actually look at the futures markets, we'll do like the Russell. The Russell gave a beautiful, beautiful pattern. Look at this here on the Russell. Just gave a really, really, really nice on the 15-minute chart, which I was. Where's my mouse? Is it going to work? Okay, which I was trading last night when the market opened up. We had a low, double bottom. All right, there's the neckline. But look what happened here. A higher high, higher low, breaking past previous highs. What does that mean? Something to think about. We had this market making downward movement, lower high, downward trend through here. Then we had a sideways movement. Now we had a higher high, high low. This bar right here was telling me what? We're getting ready to run to where? To at least the next area of significant resistance. And look at that there. Boom. Ran straight to where? The next area of significant resistance. And that happened all night as well too. We had a little bit of a pullback through here. And then Powell came out and did his thing. And then wham. Look at that. All the way up. All the way up. So as you can see, traders, that these markets, when you're looking at these highs and lows, it's really interesting to see actually, when we actually start to get, it's just simple chart reading analysis. Right? Look at this here, lower high, lower high, lower high. Look what happened here, double bottom. Look at this here. Now we're actually in a small downward trend. Then we made a higher high, higher low, breaking past, and then away we go to the next area of resistance. So it's actually quite a simple, I just gave you guys a really, 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 really simple process that I talked about there. Look at even back here, right? Lower high, lower high, lower high, low, higher low, breaking past previous highs. Look what happened. Bam, right? We ran. So the market is always, always, always talking to us, and it's our job to just sit there and see what's happening. So the thing, traders, is, as I've said before, my overall target for the S&P 500 is that we're probably likely to make a race to all-time new highs, and we're probably likely to see a 5,500 to 6,000 by the end of this year. So we could be getting that. Let's actually go to the futures market again. Let's go to the Nasdaq here. Yeah, we're getting a little bit of a bounce here. Again, we're not out of the woodworks just yet because we have a high, a lower high, and we are getting a rally up through here. So we're not out of the woodworks just 100% yet. The Dow Jones is still at this area of resistance where we are right here. So again, we're not out of the woodworks yet 100% because we could get another big down day and something could happen there. So on a short-term basis, we really want to see this like on the S&P 500. We want to see the S&P 500 like get back above, say, this trend line here. If we can do that, then away we go. Hey traders, I'm giving away 100% free access to my brand new breakthrough full trading course. This is 8 videos over 10 hours of pure amazing and powerful strategies. This is my most powerful systems and strategies that I've used for the last 16 years, and I'm giving it away for free. So this is what I want you to do right now. I want you to go to johnsfreegift.com, or there should be a link around here somewhere, a button or in the description or somewhere in there. Click on that and you can go get free access to my brand new breakthrough trading course. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now. Go do that right now, guys. You can get full, complete, free membership access. Go do that right now.